Hey gardeners! Want the fastest, crunchiest, most foolproof vegetable you can grow? Say hello to radishes. Ready in as little as 3 to 5 weeks. Let's grow them perfectly, step by step. Step 1. Timing is everything. Plant spring radishes 2 to 3 weeks before your last frost. Or sow fall radishes about 4 to 6 weeks before the first fall frost. Pro tip: radishes hate summer heat above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 29 degrees Celsius. Hot weather means woody, pithy, spicy disappointment. Step 2. Pick your variety. For beginners, Cherry Belle, French Breakfast, or Easter Egg are ready in 22 to 30 days. Feeling fancy? Try long daikon or gorgeous watermelon radishes. Those take 50 to 70 days. Step 3. Soil prep. This is make or break. Radishes need loose, fluffy, well-drained soil. Heavy clay? Your radishes will look like twisted carrots. Aim for a pH of 6.0 to 7.0 and mix in some compost. They're light feeders, so no need to go crazy. Alright, step 4. It's finally planting day, the moment every gardener looks forward to. There's something truly special about getting your hands in the soil and starting a new crop from scratch. The anticipation of those first green shoots poking through the earth is always exciting, no matter how many times you've done it. For radishes, you'll want to sow those seeds directly into your garden bed. Trust me, radishes just hate being transplanted, so skip the seed trays and go straight to the soil for the best results. When planting, make sure you tuck each seed about ½ an inch deep. This shallow depth is perfect for radishes, helping them sprout quickly and evenly. And don't forget about spacing. Give each seed 1 to 2 inches of room. This way, your radishes have plenty of space to grow nice and round without crowding each other out. For the rows themselves, aim for about 6 to 12 inches apart. This makes it easy to weed, water, and harvest, and keeps your garden looking neat and organized. Here's a pro tip. If you want a steady supply of fresh, crisp radishes all season long, don't plant them all at once. Instead, sow a new row every 10 to 14 days. Mark your calendar or set a reminder so you don't forget. This method, called succession planting, keeps your harvest coming in waves. It's honestly a game changer for any home gardener who loves having fresh veggies on hand. Step 5. Water like you mean it. Keep that soil consistently moist. Never let it get bone dry, but also don't let it turn swampy. If you water inconsistently, you might end up with cracked or super spicy radishes, and nobody wants that. Oh, and mulching lightly will help keep that moisture steady. Step 6. Thin them ruthlessly. Once your radishes have 2 to 4 true leaves, thin them out to about 2 to 4 inches apart. And don't toss those thinnings. Seriously, throw them in a salad. They make awesome microgreens. Okay, so, step 7 is all about defending your garden against those tiny enemies that can do big damage if you're not careful. Pests might be small, but they can quickly ruin your hard work if you let them get out of control. Are you seeing flea beetles making little shotgun holes in your radish leaves? These tiny beetles chew through the foliage, leaving your plants looking like Swiss cheese and stunting their growth. To keep them at bay, try covering your plants with a floating row cover. This lightweight fabric acts as a physical barrier, stopping beetles and other pests from reaching your crops while still letting in sunlight and rain. Or, dust your plants with diatomaceous earth. This natural powder is safe for your garden, but deadly to insects, as it dries them out and keeps populations under control. And if you're dealing with root maggots, which attack your radishes underground, just rotate your crops each season to break their life cycle and keep your soil healthy. Plus, use row covers early in the season before pests even show up, so you can prevent infestations before they start. With these simple steps, you'll see a real difference. Your radishes will be healthier, stronger, and much less likely to fall victim to those pesky garden invaders. Alright, step 8. Harvest time. After weeks of nurturing your radishes, this is the moment you've been waiting for. All your patience and care finally pays off as you get to see the fruits, or rather, the roots, of your labor. There's something incredibly satisfying about gently pulling those vibrant red radishes from the earth, brushing off the soil, and seeing just how much they've grown. This is honestly the best part. The excitement of discovering perfectly formed radishes hiding beneath the leaves is hard to beat. Whether you're gardening alone or with family, harvesting is a joyful, rewarding experience that brings everyone together. So, start checking your radishes at about 20 to 25 days if you're growing spring types. Gently push aside the soil at the base of the leaves to peek at their size. If you see the tops of the radishes poking out, that's a good sign they're nearly ready. You'll want to pull them when they're about 1 inch across. Think golf ball size, that's just perfect. At this stage, they're crisp, juicy, and have the best flavor. If you wait too long, they can become tough or pithy, so keep an eye on their size. If they get bigger, they'll actually get hotter and a bit woodier, so you probably want to avoid that. Overgrown radishes can split or develop a strong, spicy flavor that's not as pleasant to eat. It's always better to harvest a little early than too late. Oh, and if you're growing winter radishes, you can leave them in the ground a bit longer, since they're bred to handle cooler temperatures and can keep growing even as the weather changes. These varieties are perfect for late-season harvests. And here's a fun tip. After a light frost, winter radishes might even sweeten up a bit, making them extra delicious. So don't be afraid to let them stay in the ground until the first chill. Enjoy your harvest, you've earned it. Here are a few bonus hacks for radish success. You can use radishes as marker rows for slow germinating carrots, which is super handy. Or, sneak them in between lettuce or spinach. They totally love those tight spaces. And if you're gardening in a hot climate, it's best to grow them in partial shade or just stick to fall and winter. That's it! With loose soil, steady water, and just the right timing, you'll have crunchy, homegrown radishes in under a month. So, go on, get out there and grow some red, pink, purple, or even white perfection. Like and subscribe for more 30-day veggie guides. Happy gardening! See you in the garden!